Yes. We finally got hold of the last single piece of iPhone available on Apple's website as of yesterday, which was November the 18th. Since the time phone was launched on October 14th, and I think it went out for sale on October 23rd, Jagraj has been without any fail every single day. Yeah, coming. Checking on the website if the phone is available for iPhone 12 Pro. Finally, yesterday, he got hold of the very last piece available on the website. So we are right now at the Yorkdale Mall to kind of pick up the last piece that he booked under his name. He is super duper excited to get the phone. I mean, I think it's after 3 years that he's gonna buy a new iPhone, like a new phone actually. He gifted me iPhone 11 last year, so I thought, okay, I'll compromise this time. I'm not gonna go for a new phone. So he's gonna buy it for himself. And let me bring him to the camera to ask him how he feels right now. How are you feeling?
Oh, finally.
Finally, after how many days you got hold of the phone?
मेरे ख्याल से जिस दिन से लॉन्च हुआ था अक्टूबर 14 को लॉन्च हुआ था 23 से इसकी सेल शुरू हुई थी तब से कॉन्स्टेंटली चेक कर रहा था मैं शुरू में तो मेरे को अवेलेबल दिखा था बट आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर सम कमिटमेंट्स और किसी से मैं बात कर रहा था ऑलरेडी लेकिन उसने बोला इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल उसके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है तो आई जस्ट मेड माय प्लान आई लाइक यू नो व्हाट जस्ट फॉरगेट इट बाय इट फ्रॉम एप्पल स्टोर
Very nice. So here we enter the mall. We're gonna go to the Apple store right there. It is still not available anywhere on the Apple's website. And honestly, when he booked the phone, right after 2 minutes, we checked the website again and we couldn't find that piece, obviously because it was booked under his name. But it was too exciting for us to kind of book it under us. I feel like anytime you buy a new phone, the level of excitement and you know the kind of happiness quotient which runs in your, oh goodness, just something. I think he's buying the phone, but I'm way too more excited because you never know if we exchange the phone. If we exchange the phone. Do we look like twins? I'm coming straight from work. I finished at 5 o'clock and Jagraj was there to pick me. And straight from my work, we came to the mall. It was a 25 minutes drive. The weather is pretty nice today. It is almost double digits. I think it is 12 degrees or 13 degrees today. Doesn't feel like though because it's pretty windy. But I mean the double digits gives you a kind of satisfaction that it's not that badly cold out here. That's a beautiful display. The 4 different colors of iPhone 12. I think the first one is silver, blue, golden, and like the grayish silver. Beautiful concept. Which one did you buy? You bought the blue one. So everything was as per your preference and choice, right? You got everything that you wanted. So how much did you buy the phone for? 1580. So we bought it for 1,580 Canadian dollars, which is approximately equal to 90,000 Indian rupees. Pretty good deal. Looks like that's ours, but you never know.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Good to go?
Thank you very much. You as well, thanks. बधाइयाँ.
Finally.
पहले घर की लक्ष्मी के हाथ में आना चाहिए. एक्सप्रेशन दोबारा दें एक बारी कैमरे पे. Guys. So we have finally decided that we are going to do the unboxing when we reach home, and then he's gonna cook dinner for us and then I'm gonna eat.
Finally.
So finally we guys are home and he is gonna do the Unboxing!
The moment I was waiting for. Hey, मेरी जाने man.
Color दिखाना.
Nice.
Very nice. Oh wow. It looks somewhat similar to the one that I have, like the green one, but पता नहीं शायद light का फर्क है. बहुत सुंदर है. ये हटाओ. Like take this off.
But वैसे इस फोन में कुछ खास नहीं है नए वाले मतलब 10 से except
10 या 11?
10 से
अच्छा.
11 इसलिए नहीं अपग्रेड करा था क्योंकि कुछ 11 में ऐसा कोई खास नहीं आया था 10 के बाद.
पर इसमें है difference.
नहीं मुझे ये था कि कैमरा में ऑब्वियसली बात है मैं वाइड एंगल कैमरा 10 में नहीं था. But this one has a wide angle camera. Plus ये shape याद है iPhone
4 brick shape.
This is the best shape. इसलिए मुझे ये कैमरा बड़ा पसंद है. सॉरी ये फोन बड़ा पसंद है.
But यार बड़ा it looks very delicate ना.
It is.
Like the ये जो इसकी ये है.
Especially इन्होंने इस बार ये चेंज करा ना. They used to give the plastic cover transparent.
हाँ, that's what I was thinking.
But इस बार white paper है. But I'll take it off when I'm going to put the
Screen guard on.
screen guard. Yes.
But I still wanna see. Like थोड़ा सा तो निकालो.
दुल्हन थोड़ी सी. Oh no.
अच्छा, so they still have given the charger?
So not.
I thought they were not giving the chargers.
Not the brick, just the cable.
So this beauty right here.
Box से कितना पतला है?
I don't even think I'm gonna give you this phone now.
Box से कितना?
That's what I was saying that time. The box is very sleek. Very sleek. But I mean the phone is quite heavy. Looks a bit delicate to me. Even I think since the last year, since I own my iPhone 11, I've never ever taken out my cover, which I really want to kind of take off. But it's just so risky. I don't want to.
You think I should have gone for iPhone 12 Pro Max?
No, I think this is fine for you. You'll be irritated after certain days and you'll be like...
The reason why it is better for me because the iPhone 10K screen is 5.8 inch and this is 6.1, so this is already big enough for me. Or Max तो बहुत ज़्यादा था.
Quite an information for you guys.
Yes, finally.
चलो okay, go and make dinner. काम पे लग जाओ. He's gonna make vegetable noodles for me. And I'm gonna change, get fresh, and then we're gonna eat, watch TV, and then sleep. But I hope you all love the video. You all have been very supportive until now. If you guys like my content, do subscribe to my channel, share my video, like and comment, and keep spreading your love. And yes, do take care of yourselves, and we'll see each other soon. Bye.